Are you looking for the best senior rowing machines? In this video we will look at some of the best senior rowing machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. YOSUDA Magnetic Rowing Machine. Design and produce top quality exercise machines for home use for over 20 years. YOSUDA has chosen by more than 3 million families, and we will always stand behind our product. We promise free returns and refunds within 1 month, and 2 years for replacement parts. Equipped with a 10-pound flywheel and high-quality magnetic control system, this rower machine provides enough resistance. With 16 levels nicely transition resistance, all stages users can get an effective workout whether you are a beginner or an advanced user. YOSUDA will be a good companion as your first rower. The non-contact magnetic resistance system delivers a virtually silent rowing experience. High-density steel reduces noise, changing your daily rowing into pleasure. Whether in the early morning or after work, you can enjoy your workout without worries. Choose a rower that can grow with you from beginner to advanced. Built with commercial quality, the 5mm thick steel ensures the high durability of YOSUDA rowing machine. Maximum weight capacity can be up to 350 pounds. The 45.2-inch long slide fits users from 4'5' to 6'2', which is suitable for almost every family member. YOSUDA products is designed to last for years with robust build quality. The 3.45-inch LCD monitor clearly displays the rowing data. You can put the phone or iPad on the holder to enjoy the videos or music. Newly Bluetooth supports Kinemap app, so you can experience different rowing scenarios, as well as the fun of rowing races. With a small footprint, YOSUDA magnetic rowing machine will save you 70% storage space after being stowed upright. 2 big transportation wheels make it easier to move your rowing machine around when you finish your workout. Number 2. DUTRIEUX magnetic rowing machine. With a simple twist, you can increase or decrease the 8 levels of magnetic resistance, so your workout can remain challenging and effective throughout your fitness journey. At 48 inches in slide rail length, and 44 inches in inseam length, the SFRW 5515 can accommodate rowers nearly any size. The large LCD console displays time, count, calories, total count, and scan. The convenient scan mode displays your progress to assist you in tracking all your fitness goals. Built-in transportation wheels for easy portability. Simply tilt and roll out for use or away for storage. No need for heavy lifting or muscle strain. Textured non-slip foot pedals will ensure safe footing during the most demanding and vigorous workouts. Foot straps keep your feet saddled with, so you can focus on the workout without feeling unbalanced. Full body workout with extended slide rails. Engage and strengthen legs, glutes, core, back, arms and shoulders. Rowing activates multiple muscles, promoting balanced development and strength. Unlock your potential. Unmatched comfort awaits with our rowing machine. The ergonomically designed cushioned seat ensures support and coziness, enabling longer rows without discomfort. Don't let strain hinder your goals. Stay focused and distraction-free with this exceptional machine. Number 3. OUZEY water rowing machine. Row on the water in the comfort of your home. The water creates a smooth and steady rowing experience with every stroke. Instant resistance is available with the flywheel and the fan blades. The faster the fan blades spin, the higher resistance and dynamic response caused by the harmonious interaction with the water, providing a unique experience. Constructed with lightweight sturdy steel, for solid performance and durability. The hydro blades mimic the dynamic movements of competitive rowing. Non-slip HD handlebar is sweat resistant and wide enough to accommodate different hand widths. Tear resistant mesh belt withstands the stress of repeated pulling. Keep the rower sturdy and level with the adjustable leveling end caps. Molded padded seat is designed to be comfortable and functional. High-profile seat design is 17 inches from the ground, which allows users to get on and off the seat without bending and straining your back. Non-slip foot pedals with durable nylon straps keep feet secure. Foot pads pivot to allow more freedom of the foot and ankle to ensure optimal rowing mechanics. The R2 fitness meter is designed to accurately track all essential workout metrics: total time, 500 meters time, SPM, total strokes, calories, HR, ambient temperature, and more. R2 fitness meter allows the user to tailor a personalized workout or use the built pre-programmed features. Wireless connection with a compatible heart rate strap. High-density non-marking rubber wheels are perfect for easy transport and store upright when not in use. Recommended to be placed upright against the wall for storage. Compatible with ANT plus heart rate technology, like heart rate belts or watches, so you can measure an accurate pulse and monitor the effectiveness of your workout. When worn around your chest during your exercise routine, the pulse belt will transmit your heart rate to the advanced digital monitor. Heart rate belt sold separately. Number 4. Machine air and resistance rowing. The air and resistance combination of this rower machine creates an extraordinary rowing experience. You will not only have a quiet and continuous smoothness feeling which brought by the resistance, but also enjoyed the raising intensity when rowing harder which comes from the wind resistance. It needs very low maintenance, no water refills. This unique design offers you a natural, smooth and quiet workout. Put your phone or iPad on the tablet holder, then get an immersive rowing movement through the Bluetooth connection to all apps which support FTMS protocol, such as Kinemap. The medical-grade LCD display ensures the accuracy of the time/500 meters, strokes, total strokes, distance, calories, RPM, pulse etc., and the backlight function allows you to easily read all data at any time. The wear-resistant aluminium oxide material effectively avoids scratches. The ergonomic seat is very comfortable and breathable even for long use. The 4 high-quality seat wheels evenly distributes the load weight, more stable and durable. Weight capacity, 350 pounds. Use the racing handle to adjust the resistance. High-end experience to meet your training needs of different stages. The unique dual resistance system with a 10 pounds flywheel which provides more stronger resistance than the ordinary rowing machines for home use. No matter you are beginner or professionals will get an efficient exercise with different resistance levels. This rower machine can be easily folded without detaching or disassembly. Just pedal down the release pad, and lift the tail of the rail. The portable grip and built-in transport wheels ensure an easy and convenient storage and movement. Number 5. Home Silent Reluctance Rowing. Rowing machine is a good aerobic exercise machine. Compared with other exercise equipments, rowing machines are much more efficient. Elastic cord dual directional resistance with 4 levels of adjustable tension. Large LCD console displays time, count, total count, calories burned, count per minute, and scan. Oversized angled seat with non-slip handles for optimal comfort. Large anti-slip foot pedals with adjustable foot straps for secure footing.